the ladybugs are getting away. Will you help me find them? Where would ladybug number 1 be? Well, this barn has a number 3 on it. 1, 2, 3. I don't think... Wait, there's something in there. It's 3 balls. But that's not the ladybug. What about this one? Let's count the dots. 1, 2. What's in there? It's 2 balls. But that's not the ladybug. Let's see. This one has 1 dot, and that's the number 1. It's the ladybug. And there's 1 ball. This ladybug is purple, and it has 1 dot on the back. That's the number 1 ladybug. I think I see some ladybugs hiding in the building. Let's find the right color key to open it up. I think I see one in the blue door. Which one of these keys is blue? This one right here. Let's open it up. It's a blue ladybug. Here's another ladybug in there. Which one of these is the orange key? Here, this is the orange that matches. We found it! It's the orange ladybug. This ladybug is orange. Let's count the dots. 1, 2. It's the number 2 ladybug. This ladybug is blue. Let's count the dots. 1, 2, 3. It's the number 3 ladybug. Can you see the ladybugs hiding in the fish bowls? Let's count and make sure we have the right one. Here's 1 fish bowl that's 1 bubble. And that's a shark. It's the shark number 1. 1, 2. This fish bowl has 2 bubbles. And that's a seahorse number 2. This fish bowl has 3 bubbles. And that's the octopus with the number 3. This fishbowl has 4 bubbles. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's the Mr. 4 crab. Here's our ladybug with number 4. This ladybug is green. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's the number 4 ladybug. What's left in this one? This one has 5 bubbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is number 5 fish. There's our ladybug. This ladybug is bright pink. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's the number 5 ladybug. I think I can feel a ladybug moving around in one of these bubbles. Is it in this one? No. What about this one? No. What about this one? Yes, there's a ladybug in there. It's a blue ladybug. This ladybug is blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's the number 6 ladybug. Let's find one more. Do you think it's in the yellow one? No. What about the orange bubble? Nope. That means it's in our last bubble, the pink one. Here it is. This ladybug is light pink. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's the number 7 ladybug. I can see some ladybugs hiding in the balls. Here's one. This ladybug is yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's the number 8 ladybug. And here's another. This ladybug is light purple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's the number 9 ladybug. Oh no! This last ladybug is getting away. Help me find it. Do you remember what color that ladybug was? Can you point to the color? Was it blue? No. Was it orange? No, it was red. We found the last ladybug. This ladybug is red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's the number 10 ladybug. We did it! Let's count them all again from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We did it! We found all the ladybugs.